Hello everyone, Von Marie, and welcome back to my channel. So happy February. Today for my card I am using the new Clover Trellis, and I'm using Catherine Polar Dress Blues ink. And usually for a Clover card I would do green or gold. I think I've even done pink, but I thought this looked really pretty as blue, like a blue wallpaper. And so I'm just using some white cardstock, and it was really easy to ink blend with a large blending brush. And I'm just using my glass board here, and I'm using my paw there to hold my ink in place, and I have my magnets. So this card was really fun and easy to make. And I hope you check out a Colorful Life Designs because they have so many stencils, 15 I believe, and so there's something for everyone. And I enjoyed making my samples for this month. There's also, if you haven't seen, Mary Kay has some card bling now, so you can get some sequins, and you get so much in the bag, and there's all kinds of different colors, so that's always fun. She also has some dies, I believe, on sale on her website, so it looks really pretty. I love how it came out. So I had these images already cut out, and with my brother's scan and cut, and so I'm just going to use that, and I use my Copic markers. And this is an older stamp timber stamp set with Newton's Nook designs, and I did use some blues there, and so really pretty. I just was going for a blue and white type of look, and I love the sentiment, and I love the couch. The couch is my favorite. I think you can even use it like for Friends, you know, the Friends TV show. So I might have to do that for a card one day. So I'm just using my liquid glue, and I am adding my couch and my pillows and my dog, and then I will just place my sentiment. And I think this card came out really cute. I've used this stamp set before, and so it's really fun, and I'm not sure if Newton's Nook Designs has a similar one, but they always have really cute stamp sets. And so if you shop, use my code VONFAN10 and you can save 10% off your purchase. There's a Master Creator Bundle, which is the whole release, and it's marked down 20% off, and that is the only time you can't use my coupon. So I am just adding some white gel accents with my Jelly Roll pen, and I'm just getting over being sick. It was awful. I feel like the whole month of January I was sick, so I'm super excited for February. And lastly, I'm just going to be adding my sentiment and some sequins. I have some sequins from a Colorful Life Designs that I will just use. I have a little box with some sequins in there, and that is going to be it. So I'm just going to add my panel to a Nina Solar White 110 pound card base, top folding, and I cut it down to be smaller than A2 size, so about 4 and 5 1/4, so that I could leave a little bit of a white border. And there is my box of sequins. I actually started a new box, so if you order from a Colorful Life Designs, you will usually get a little bag of sequins, which is very generous of Mary Kay. And then, like I said, you can buy a bag as well. They are at a really good price. And I'm just adding some random sequins here to match. And that will be it. I'm using my other liquid glue here because I feel like my sequins don't fall off, and so I think it's by Imagine Crafts, and I will leave everything in the details that is available, and I hope you check out the new release because it's really fun and I love every stencil. And so here is my card. Thank you for joining me today and have a wonderful day.